Welcome. In this video I will show you how to mute microphone on your HP ProBook 450 G2 laptop. So in order to mute the microphone on your PC, you'll have to use a shortcut that consists of pressing the F9 button right here. So you just have to press and hold it, and then click on the F8 button right over here. And this way, while this button is lit up, if you can see it, that means that your microphone is switched off. If you want to switch it back on, you just press this button, these two buttons once again, and this will enable your microphone. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a like and a comment below.